हर सुबह एक नई उम्मीद लाती है, जहाँ उम्मीद हो और रास्ता भी होता है।
हेलो एंड वेलकम टू करंट आईक्यू में आप लोग का बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। तो फ्रेंड्स, टुडे वी विल कंटिन्यू द थर्ड सीरीज ऑफ ऑनलाइनर इन इंग्लिश. इट इज़ फ्रॉम 501, right? It will be from last 1 year, that is from Jan 2024 to May 2025, right? As usually I have discussed in last two series as well, from onliner 1 to 500. So those who are new viewers in this video, kindly go through the previous one as well and get benefited from after watching this video series, after watching online this video series, right? So without doing any delay, let's begin with the question number onliner number 501. 501 is saying that PM Modi inaugurated India's first AI for India summit in Bangalore. Ministry of Health launched eSanjeevani 3.0 with AI based diagnostic. India's first green hydrogen fuel cells bus launched in New Delhi. Andhra Pradesh signed MOU with Microsoft to train youth in AI skills. Niti Aayog launched India's first national AI readiness index. Niti Aayog launched India's first national AI readiness index. Indian origin economics Abhijit Banerjee received a Nobel Literature honor from MIT. Gaganyaan mission first uncrewed test flight completed successfully. Gaganyaan mission first uncrewed test flight completed successfully. RBI launched Udgam portal to locate unclaimed bank deposit. Goa declared India's first 100% digitally literate state. ISRO launched INSAT 3DS for advanced weather forecasting. India opened its first consulate general in Marseille, France. Bharat Biotech launched India's first mRNA vaccine for COVID-19. Karnataka launched India's first AI policy for governance. Karnataka launched India's first AI policy for governance. DRDO tested Parley tactical surface-to-surface missile successfully. India's first OTT platform for classical music, Swaraj, launched. Ministry of Railway introduced GPT-powered chatbot RailChat GPT. Sikkim declared entire state as a natural disaster zone after flash flood. India won the ICC Under-19 Cricket World Cup 2024. Kerala launched India's first state gender budget mobile app. India announced rupees 1 lakh crore corpus for innovation in Union Budget 2025 to 2026. Gujarat launched India's first solar rooftop, a smart grid city in Rajkot. Tamil Nadu declared Traditional Games Festival as an annual event. India became a founding member of Global Biofuels Alliance. RBI introduced a pilot project of offline CBDC, digital rupee in tribal areas. RBI introduced a pilot project of offline CBDC, digital rupee in tribal areas. Assam launched Naam Gho digitalization mission for culture preservation. UNESCO recognized Garba dance of Gujarat as an intangible cultural heritage. Government approved Ansudhan National Research Foundation bill. Mizoram launched bamboo-based MSME policy 2025. Railway started India's first night Vande Bharat Express between Mumbai Delhi. PM Modi inaugurated Yasovami Convention Center in Dwarka. India hosted the Global Buddhist Summit 2025 in Nalanda. Punjab launched Shahid Bhagat Singh Armed Forces Preparatory Institute for Women. ISRO's NISAS mission with NASA set for the launch in Q3 of 2025. Delhi government launched India's first cloud-based centralized fire response system. Ministry of Culture initiated 75 digital museum projects across India. PM Modi laid foundation stone for the Divya Kasi corridor project. PM Modi laid foundation stone for Divya Kasi corridor project. India signed MOU with France to promote blue economy. Uttarakhand launched Drishti mobile app for road safety. West Bengal declared Jal Dharo Jal Bharo scheme phase 2. West Bengal declared Jal Bharo scheme phase 2. India won the highest number of medals at Asian Athletic Championship 2025. Maharashtra launched virtual classroom in all Jila Parishad schools. India's GDP grew by 7.8% in quarter 4 of financial year 24 to 25 as per the CSO. India's GDP grew by 7.8% in quarter 4 of financial year 2024 to 2025 as per CSO. Haryana's Gurugram became the first district with the 100% digital lead records. Ministry of Education launched AI for a school student program. Bihar government approved caste-based reservation hike to 75%. Indian Navy commissioned INS Jatayu at Minicoy Island, Lakshadweep. Indian Navy commissioned INS Jatayu at Minicoy Island, Lakshadweep. National Disaster Management Authority launched Heat Wave Action Plan 2025. First 3D printed post office in India inaugurated in Bengaluru. India and Japan signed the pact to build high-speed rail corridor in South India. Rajasthan became the top tourist destination in India in 2024. Rajasthan became the top tourist destination in India in 2024. Indian Navy launched indigenous stealth frigate. Indian Navy launched indigenous stealth frigate INS Mahendragiri in Mumbai. India's first AI teacher robot introduced in Kerala government schools. RBI allowed credit card to be linked with the UPI for wider usage. India became world's second largest steel producer in 2025. Government launched Nipun 2.0 to boost skill development in construction sector. India's first satellite to study climate change, ClimateSat, launched successfully. India and Nepal inaugurated cross-border petroleum pipeline from Siliguri to Jhapa. Supreme Court declared a divorce on ground of irritable breakdown valid under Article 142. Varanasi declared as the cultural and tourism capital of SCO for 2024 to 2025. Rajasthan Ramgarh Visdhari notified as India's 53rd Tiger Reserve. Indian origin scientist Manjula Layer appointed chief data scientist of NASA. Indian Railway introduced hydrogen fuel cells technology on narrow gauge trains. First successful test of quantum encrypted messaging done by DRDO. India's first Hyperloop test crack landed in Pune. Mizoram topped literacy rate with 92.8% as per 2025 data. India launched Shrestha portal for reservation certificate verification. India launched Shrestha portal for reservation certificate verification. UNESCO declared Sankirtana dance of Manipur as intangible heritage. Indian Navy conducted exercise Purvi Lahar in the Bay of Bengal. Indian Navy conducted exercise Purvi Lahar in the Bay of Bengal. Niti Aayog launched India's data portal 2.0 for open government data. Tamil Nadu's Rameswaram conducted to power grid via undersea cable. Tamil Nadu's Rameswaram connected to power grid via undersea cable. India signed pact with Saudi Arabia for solar power cooperation. Delhi police launch e-fire portal for non-serious crimes. India's food grains production reached an all-time high of 340 million tons. Ladakh got its first solar-powered green village, Pyang. India became top milk producer globally for the 10th year in a row. Indira Gandhi Canal Project declared World Heritage Irrigation Structure. Kerala hosted International Film Festival of India 2025. Kerala hosted International Film Festival of India 2025. DRDO developed Lakshya 2 target drone for armed forces. Ministry of Tourism launched Dekho Apna Desh 360 virtual travel app. Indian Army's Operation Sadbhavana. India's Army's Operation Sadbhavana launched in Jammu and Kashmir. UPI crossed 1200 crore transaction in April 2025 alone. India Maldives joint military exercise Ekta 2025 held in Mail. India Maldives joint military exercise Ekta 2025 held in Mail. Indian Space Research Organization launched Riyashat 3A4 surveillance. RBI launched Project Bheem 3.0 with offline UPI and NFC features. Odisha launched Mission Vatsalya for child protection. Chandrayaan 3's Vikram lander declared officially decommissioned. India's first electric cargo ship launched from Kochi port. India's Ayushman Bharat scheme crossed 60 crore beneficiaries. First travel university of Northeast launched in Arunachal Pradesh. India ranked third in world's renewable energy installation in 2025. Ministry of Defence approved 76 indigenous military projects under Index. PM inaugurated new parliament building under Central Vista project. Government of India banned import of single use of e-cigarettes. India signed pact with Australia for critical minerals cooperation. Uttarakhand's Kedarnath Roopway project work began in April 2025. SEBI allowed instant settlement of a stock market trade on T+0 basis. India and USA conducted Yudh Abhyas 2025 in Alaska. India's total installed solar energy capacity crossed 80 gigawatt in 2025. PM Modi launched Panch Amrit. PM Modi launched Panch Amrit 2020. PM Modi launched Panch Amrit at the rate 2047 for clean energy transformation. India launched Green Credit Card Program for Environmental Initiative. India launched Green Credit Card Program for Environmental Initiative. India overtook China to become the world's most populous country in 2024. First Indian woman astronaut for Gaganyaan mission announced Dr. Kalpana K. India's first 3D printed temple inaugurated in Siddipet, Telangana. RBI introduced a digital rupee Lite for rural offline transaction. India signed agreement with Russia to set up nuclear plants in Tamil Nadu. Uttar Pradesh launched Mission Rozgar 2.0 to generate 2 crore jobs. First women-only Vande Bharat Express launched between Mumbai and Pune. Indian Railway to run 100% electric train by March 2030. Government launched Mera Bill Mera Adhikar to promote invoice culture. Government launched Mera Bill Mera Adhikar to promote invoice culture. India's GDP projected to grow at 7.2% by World Bank in 2025. National Education Policy 2020 fully implemented across all central universities. Ministry of Health launched Mera Swasth Mera Adhikar campaign. PM Modi launched India's first national robotic mission. UNESCO listed Kolam Art of Tamil Nadu in Intangible Heritage List. Rajasthan announced the Desert Solar City project in Barmer. India elected as a chair of International Sugar Organization for 2025. 2024 declared as International Year of Camelids by UN. Punjab launched Shaheed Divas Scholarship scheme for Matri children. India launched Blue Economy Vision for 2047 Policy Roadmap. India launched Blue Economy Vision 2047 Policy Roadmap. Indian Navy conducted exercise Tropics 2025 in Indian Ocean region. Indian Navy conducted exercise Tropics 2025 in Indian Ocean region. Maharashtra launched Cyber Suraksha Abhiyan for offline safety awareness. India's life expectancy increased to 71.9 years, says NFHS 6. India's first life expectancy increased to 79.9 years, says NFHS 6. Gujarat, Kavadia become India's first smart travel village cluster. First international conference on digital public infrastructure held in New Delhi. Then friends, if you are finding this video helpful, this video and content will friends, if this video will helpful to you, friends, if this video and content will helpful for you, so then please do subscribe my channel so that you will get the notification when I will come with the next series of the onliner. And if you are getting some benefited from this content, then please do like this video and share with your family and friends, as well as if you wanted to give any suggestion and feedback, then please comment on your comment in comment box. Although if you wanted to comment anything, so please comment anything in my comment box, so that I realize that two-way communication is going on. You the service provider and service taker both are involved in this, so I realize and I will get motivated from this as well. So please do subscribe my channel. So next onliner 624 I am beginning. First international conference on digital public infrastructure held in New Delhi. India signed a pact with Singapore for UPI Pay Now in integration. PM Modi inaugurated Bharat National PM inaugurated Bharat National Digital Library for Students. National Startup Day celebrated on January 16 with 5,000 plus new startups. Delhi University launched India's first undergraduate course in climate law. Indian Oil introduced India's first green aviation fuel facility in Panipat. Himachal Pradesh launched e-Parivahan portal for vehicle-related service. India's first smart border fence installed in Arunachal Pradesh. India's first smart border fence installed in Arunachal Pradesh. Bengaluru topped India's first ecosystem index 2025. India's forest cover increased by 1.2% in Forest Survey Report 2025. National Commission for Women launched Legal Aid at the Doorstep program. Indian Air Force inducted a first batch of C-295 aircraft from Spain. Punjab declared Guru Nanak Jayanti as a state environment day. Assam launched Mission Dignity for senior citizen welfare. Bihar's Nalanda University ranked among Asia's top 50 university. Indian Army launched AI-based surveillance system Chashku. Goa declared India's first state to achieve 100% EV registration for cabs. Kerala introduced a startup mission 5.0 for youth entrepreneurship. ISRO announced Chandrayaan 4 will attempt simple return mission. India became world's second largest defense importer in 2025. Rajasthan started Matsya Mitra scheme to boost fisheries. India launched Green Highways Policy 2.0 for sustainable road construction. Meghalaya announced e-cabinet for paperless governance. DRDO tested long-range precision-guided bomb with a 500-kilometer range. India launched world's largest solar rooftop project in Gujarat. PM inaugurated India's first vertical lift railway bridge in Tamil Nadu. India became the world's third largest fintech ecosystem in 2025. Odisha launched Mission Shakti Bazaar to boost women-led SHGs. Indian Air Force set up its first drone command center in Haryana. India's literacy rate touched 78.5% as per NFHS 6 survey. India's literacy rate touched 78.5% as per NFHS 6 survey. Union Budget 2025 allocated 1.25 lakh crore for green energy. India signed MOU with the UAE to use RuPay and UPI in Gulf nation. IIT Madras developed BrahMos 2.0, India's indigenous mobile operating system. Uttar Pradesh launched Mission Drishti for visual health of children. India's first underwater research center proposed in Andaman Sea. India's first underwater research center proposed in Andaman Sea. SEBI introduced a new framework for real-time fraud detection in market. Jammu and Kashmir declared 100% saturation in PMAY housing scheme. Indian Railway launched Zero Waste Station initiative. India became the largest contributor to UN peacekeeping forces. Rajasthan hosted India's first desert sculpture biennale. National Internet Exchange India launched Bharat PV6 portal. Arunachal Pradesh declared Pagga Hornbill Festival a state festival. India signed deal with Vietnam for BrahMos missile export. Delhi Metro introduced AI-powered face recognition ticketing. India's coal-based power dependency dropped below 50% in 2025. Himachal Pradesh declared Kanga tea as GI tag global brand. PM Modi launched One Nation One Fertilizer Scheme implementation phase 2. India Chandrayaan 3 lander site named Shiv Shakti Point by ISRO. India Chandra 3 lander site named Shiv Shakti Point by ISRO. Kerala launched India's first AI village project in Wayanad. Kerala launched India's first AI village project in Wayanad. Kerala launched India's first AI village project in Wayanad. Maharashtra topped in implementation of PM Fasal Bima Yojana. Maharashtra topped in implementation of PM Fasal Bima Yojana. G20 Startup 20 Summit 2024 was hosted in Gurugram. India signed pact with Canada on student visa cooperation. Bihar launched Swarn Sipi Yojana for traditional artisan. Gujarat's Dholvira got international eco-tourism recognition. India set a target to double ethanol blending to 20% by 2026. Punjab Police became first to use facial recognition body cameras. Punjab Police became first to use facial recognition body cameras. India successfully tested Agni Prime ballistic missile from Odisha coast. India's first space observatory for black holes to be named Shakti. Telangana announced a digital agriculture mission with Microsoft. India joined International Solar Alliance Green Grid Initiative. PM inaugurated world's longest river cruise MV Ganga Vilas. PM inaugurated world's longest river cruise MV Ganga Vilas. Indian Navy launched submarine rescue system in Visakhapatnam. Kerala Alpuja declared India's cleanest city in Swachh Sarvekshan 2025. India signed agreement with the Bangladesh for Testa water sharing. India became the largest buyer of gold in 2024, says World Gold Council. Government launched Amrit Dharohar mission to protect wetland. India hosted the 2025 SCO summit in Varanasi. West Bengal launched a Kanya Shri digital card. West Bengal launched a Kanya Shri digital card for girls students. Ministry of Ayush launched a Ayush Tech initiative for a startup. IIT Bombay developed India's first indigenous quantum computer prototype. Delhi became first NCR city to implement 24/7 treated water rescue reuse system. India became the first NCR city to implement 24/7 treated water rescue system. National Book Trust launch mobile app NVT Digital Library. India launched a project Himalayas for glacier preservation. Indian Railway introduced a solar power pantry cars in select trains. Government of India declares 2025 as year of millets export. Government of India declared as 2025 as year of millets export. RBI launched Financial Literacy Week 2025 with the theme Empowering Every Indian. India became the world's largest digital payment market by volume in 2025. Hyderabad Airport became the India's first 100% solar power airport. Government launched Matsya Sampada 2.0 to boost the fisheries sector. Government launched Matsya Sampada 2.0 to boost the fisheries sector. India's first AI-enabled coastal surveillance system deployed in Tamil Nadu. Google Cloud opened its second data center in Pune in India. Swachh Sarvekshan 2025 ranked Indore as India's cleanest city for the 7th time. Indian Army launched Vidyut Rakshak program for the energy efficiency. India launched its first implementary nano satellite mission Surya. India launched its first implementary nano satellite mission Surya. Indian government launched Global India AI Summit for AI diplomacy. India's unemployment rate dropped 6.2% in early 2025. PM Modi launched National Health Registry portal for centralized records. India signed MOU with Brazil for a space technology collaboration. J&K Tulip Garden entered world's top 10 flower gardens list. J&K Tulip Garden entered world's top 10 flower garden list. Government launched Digital Census 2025 pilot phase in 10 states. India first solar powered village in Ladakh, Hanle completed. RBI launched Project Samarth. RBI launched Project Samarth for inclusive financial surveillance in rural India. National Highway Authority of India introduced smart traffic monitoring drones. India overtook UK to become the 5th largest economy in nominal GDP terms. Delhi hosted the Global Food Security System 2025. Tamil Nadu Jallikattu was awarded UNESCO Cultural Heritage status. Indian Navy launched INS Imphal, a new guided missile destroyer. Indian Navy launched INS Imphal, a new guided missile destroyer. Uttar Pradesh introduced Kashi Corridor Festival as annual event. India signed pact with Israel on precision agriculture tech transfer. Mumbai train server link opened as India's longest sea bridge. India launched Mission Nari Shakti for women-led MSMEs. Gujarat, a Statue of Unity declared UNESCO World Heritage Site. ISRO's Venus mission Shukrayan 1 set for 2026 launch. ISRO's Venus mission Shukrayan 1 set for 2026 launch. India recorded its lowest ever infant mortality rate in 2025 25 per 1000. India recorded its lowest infant mortality rate in 2025 per 1000. India launched a drone Sahayak scheme for farmers. First electric express highway launch between Delhi and Jaipur. Government announced a green skill development program for youth. DRDO tested a new hypersonic glide vehicle technology. India's total forest and tree cover reached 25% of island area. India's total forest and tree cover reached 25% of land area. India's first deep ocean mining vessel Samudryan completed sea trial. Indian Parliament passed Data Protection Bill 2025. India signed a defense logistic pact with France. Andhra Pradesh became first state with 100% smart ration card coverage. Andhra Pradesh became first state with 100% 100% smart ration card coverage. India hosted the BRIC Innovation Summit 2025 in Bangalore. Mumbai Metro Line 10 become India's first fully autonomous metro. Mumbai Metro Line 10 became India's first fully autonomous metro. India launched a mission circular economy to cut plastic waste by 70%. Kerala ranked highest in UN Human Development Index 2025 among Indian states. Kerala ranked highest in UN Human Development Index 2025 among Indian states. India introduced a national solar rooftop portal to track a real-time solar power. India introduced a national solar rooftop portal to track a real-time solar power. West Bengal terracotta temples added to initiative UNESCO World Heritage List. India became net exporter of electricity to neighboring nation in 2025. PM inaugurated Digital Gram initiative for 5G rural connectivity. India's first floating solar plant on sea launched in Tamil Nadu. E-Shram portal registered over 35 crore unorganized workers. RBI launched Project Zenith to promote blockchain-based banking. RBI launched Project Zenith to promote blockchain-based banking. Chhattisgarh became India's first carbon neutral city. Chhattisgarh became India's first carbon natural city. Chhattisgarh became the India's first carbon neutral city. So these are the 250 onliner from 501 to 750. Watch this video again and again. Whenever you feel free, that time you can put your headphone in your ears and started to listen. Finally, this content will according to my experience, according to whatever I have attempted in my examination, I will on my experience, on that my experience basis, I will say that this content will very close to your exam like railway, banking, SSC. So listen again and again. If you are finding this video helpful, the content of this video is helpful, then please do subscribe my channel so that I will get motivated from your side, and I feel that my audience is, my work is going on right direction, and my audience is interacting with me. And also if you are finding it is good, then please like my video. If you wanted to give any suggestion or feedback from your side, please comment on my comment box, right? So till then, when I am coming with the next series, take care yourself, your family and friends and nearby you, right? So this was the video completion from my side. Thank you.